Python Pandas, how to read only first n rows of CSV files in. I have a very large dataset and I can't afford to read the entire dataset in. So, I'm thinking of reading only one chunk of it to train, but I have no idea how to do it. Any thought will be appreciated.
If you only want to read the first 999,999 non-header rows. If you only want to read rows 1,999,999 rows, int, default none number of rows of file to read. Useful for reading pieces of large files. Skip rows, list like or integer row numbers to skip, 0 indexed, or number of rows to skip, int, at the start of the file. And for large files, you'll probably also want to use chunk size. Chunk size, int, default none return text file reader object for iteration. Pandas.io.parsers.read_CSV documentation.
Chunk size equals is a very useful argument because the output of read_CSV after passing it is an iterator, so you can call the next function on it to get the specific chunk you want without straining your memory. For example, to get the first n rows you can use. For example, if you have a time series data and you want to make the first 700k rows the train set, and the remainder test set, then you can do so by
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.